Corporate Angel Network is a nonprofit organization that provides business jet transportation to treatment centers for qualified cancer patients and their caregivers free of charge.
Corporate Angel Network might be a resource for somebody who needs to just fly once. They need to get to a second opinion and just confirm that their current treatment plan is appropriate. Or we're a resource for somebody who has to fly for many, many years. For example, we have one patient. She was diagnosed with a very rare eye cancer at the age of 2. She was in Ohio, and the best treatment for her was in New York. And we were able to fly her for a consultation. Once they met this little girl, they realized that the best process for her would be treatment in New York, time and time again, and we've been currently flying her for 22 years.
A major hardship for someone who has just received a cancer diagnosis is the overwhelming and time-sensitive task of figuring out how to get to the best hospital or provider for specialized treatment or a clinical trial. Often, these patients have compromised immune systems and cannot fly commercially. By easing such burdens, Corporate Angel Network not only helps patients' chances of survival, but eases the physical, emotional, and financial stress facing those patients.
Even though you can be treated for certain cancers locally, there are certain types of cancer that you need to get to the cutting-edge expert. There are certain hospitals that these experts work at. Memorial Sloan Kettering and MD Anderson are the top 2 cancer centers for adults. Cincinnati Children's is the #1 cancer center for kids. And Johns Hopkins and the Mayo Clinic, Fred Hutchinson for a stem cell transplant, Duke for brain cancer. There are so many centers with specialties, and being able to see a specialist at a center where they eat, sleep, and breathe that type of cancer and know everything about it is extremely helpful when you're making a huge treatment choice.
Corporate Angel Network relies on corporations and individuals who generously donate not only seats and hours on business jets, but much-needed funds that are used to directly help patients.
A donation to Corporate Angel Network goes a very long way. We only have 5 staff members. We're a very lean team. We have a huge amount of in-kind support. We're in donated space at Westchester Airport, and the seats that are provided by the companies are also in-kind support.
The business aviation community is continually and generously supportive of Corporate Angel Network. At the eBay show in Geneva, aircraft maintenance provider Lufthansa Technik presented CAN with a $10,000 check.
Given the fact that CAN is so active supporting those in need in the corporate business space, why don't we support that as well? And so we're very happy to do so today.
We celebrated, I think yesterday, the 60,000th flight since the beginning of this great organization. And I think it's a great way for business aviation to give back. And when you see all these cancer patients being able to go to their treatment under much improved way, we're very proud of what we can do to help these people. And we have also a lot of children who are being part of the program. That's even more rewarding.
To hear more about Corporate Angel Network, please visit corporateangelnetwork.org.
If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to our channel. Also, visit AINonline.com and check out our e-newsletters for all the latest on the aviation industry.